Are you seeing the Wichita Foundation DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. As we prepare the manual solution for Wichita Foundation, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the Wichita Foundation, a specialized Windows core library. It provides unmanaged internal framework routines for specific system services, facilitating the orchestration of background data link manifests for modern shell components and cloud integrations. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Wichita Foundation is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If no luck was had with the Redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Wichita Foundation message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Wichita Foundation DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. Beyond manual troubleshooting, many users find that a system-wide diagnostic scan provides a more complete picture of their environment. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing Wichita Foundation. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Wichita Foundation was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.